Hello YouTube, welcome to Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. So today I have a very special dinner before I leave to go home. So I thought I would share it with you. So this dinner is in honor of my mom because I know this weekend is Mother's Day here in the US. And one of Well, first, I've been thinking of my mom a lot, and one of our favorite things to do is to go to a restaurant called the Earl of Sandwich in downtown Disney. She would get the original Earl, and I would get what they call a holiday sandwich. So the sandwich I would get has turkey, cornbread dressing, gravy, cranberry sauce, cheese, and mayo on it. So it has everything that a holiday meal could have in a sandwich. So I was really missing my mom, and I haven't had... Sorry about that. Someone just came in my room for a second. So anyway, that was one of the favorite things that my mom and I used to enjoy doing, was going to downtown Disney and just getting out and walking around and enjoying getting out and away from home for a little bit. So I just really have missed my sandwich. I didn't feel like making that drive down I-4 to downtown Disney all by myself, so I haven't had my sandwich in probably 5 years. So let me spin you around and show you my dinner for tonight in honor of my mom. Okay, so here is how they wrap the sandwich. So it really is kind of cool, and this is new. They've added tater tots since I've been there last, so they look pretty good. Let me try one. They are really good. And I got a Diet Pepsi, and the milk and the cottage cheese was from here for dinner, because I do need the cottage cheese for that because of all the heavy antibiotics I'm on, and a little thing of milk. But let me open up my sandwich and show you what my sandwich looks like. Alright, let me get in close so you can see the wonder of this sandwich. This is so good. You can see the turkey and the stuffing and the cranberry sauce. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to take a bite of this. And here I go. Let me spin you back around, and I'll show you my bite. But take one more good look at that sandwich. Isn't it pretty? So let me spin you around for just another second. Sorry about that. My phone shut off, but I was just saying that I am looking forward to my first video from home. So I'm not sure if I will do that tomorrow or Friday, but look out for that one. And I will let you all share the happiness I have of being home. So I'm going to end this by saying, be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.